The face of motorcycling is changing from tough, bearded, tattooed men to good-looking women. In fact, for these two women, motorcycling isn't just a hobby, it's a way of life. Candy Ingalls has grown up around motorcycles her entire life, but these past 5 years working at Reman's Harley-Davidson has really sparked her interest in motorcycling.
I don't know, it's just so relaxing, and I like the wind in my hair and on my face and the sun, and I don't know, I guess you could have a bad day and then you go for a ride and you get home and you're fine again.
When it comes to motorcycle riding, Diane Ruprecht feels like most other women have taken a back seat to men long enough.
Just that you don't belong on the front of a bike, and that's just not true. There's no reason why you have to stay on the back anymore. You can do what you want to do, and that's what I did.
Diane finds with her newfound glory for the front seat comes some pretty important responsibilities.
You got a lot more control because your hands are up there and you're watching everything in front of you. You got to be a lot more attentive out front than what you were in the back. It's nice to be able to view everything, but the front it's just more awesome.
At the end of the day, for a man or a woman, motorcycling symbolizes a passion for simple pleasures, such as freedom, friendship, and fun.
I don't know how to explain it. It's just, it's freedom. It's the wind blowing your hair, and everybody's so friendly on a lot of motorcycles you pass along the way, and even regardless of what they are riding, they're all waving along the way, and everybody's friendly, and you're just in a good mood because you're doing something that you really enjoy.
So the next time you see a motorcyclist with long hair, don't assume it's a man. It may be a woman out to enjoy a ride.